Hi traders, just want to give you an update to the euro dollar and its key trading levels. Now, last week we put in a reversal week and we've already had a week down this week, and we're reversing down from monthly resistance at 103.40 and weekly resistance here at 103.49 and 103.68. There's a whole bunch of resistance in here. So what I'm looking at here is, even though this is in an uptrend, I'm looking at this as a failure resistance for a movement back down. We rejected last week, we're already having a week down this week. So I'm just looking to see where the rally might finish, as we're rallying back up at the moment, to look for an opportunity to trade down from the resistance area. So let's just have a closer look on the day chart. Alright traders, on the day chart, it is putting in a higher bottom here, so you could think, okay, I should be buying and we could move up and through. Yes, we could. I'm just looking at this as a failure resistance, so I'm actually looking for the opposite. We've moved down, back below resistance. I'm looking for price to come up, retest resistance, and then fail for a movement back down, and that would put in a lower top longer term. Alright, now that being said, let's just drop down to the 4-hour chart and have a closer look. Alright traders, on the 4-hour chart, I'm drawing a fib in here from lower top to lower bottom. We've already broken last week's low, which is here. So I'm just looking at this as a rally on the 4-hour chart, and the 62% level, 103.29, lines up with, or very close to, 103.40, which is monthly resistance. I'm just looking at that area today. Can we rally up to that area, hold and fail for the next decline, for a movement down to test weekly support at 101.98, and can we move below that level? Now that's what I'm watching for at the moment. Price may not rally to that level, so let's just drop down to the 15-minute chart and have a further look at price action. Alright traders, on the 15-minute chart, now that's the area that I'm looking for, 103.29 up to 103.40. But at the moment, through Asia, price has just popped above yesterday's high and is just starting to sell off. You know, I'd love price to come up to this area, hold and fail for the next move down, but price might not do that. So through the day, I am going to be watching for a movement back below 103.100. We may simply move back below now 103.100. So if that happens, I'll be watching 103.100, a break of 103.100, a retest, and then a failure of that level. So I've got two options that I'm watching. Do we get a higher rally for failure, or do we get a break back below 103.100? Does it then become resistance for the move down? Hi traders, just wanted to give you a personal invitation to tonight's webinar. Tonight we're taking you through the basics of how to use pivot points as intraday support and resistance levels, and determine the support and resistance buy and sell zones for the trading day, finishing with a simple trading strategy. During the webinar, I'll be answering all your questions live, so if you have the time, register at the link below, and I look forward to seeing you there.